So today I am going to make some spinach, pear, ginger with some apple cider vinegar and CBD oil. We're going to make a salad dressing. We're going to blend it in the NutriBullet, and then I'm going to put it in my mason jar. So I'm going to make 1 or 2 cups of this. I just want to show you how I make my salad dressing with the CBD cooking oil. And I'm going to cut everything up, put it in a jar. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to use the NutriBullet glass. This is 1 pear cut up. We're going to do this twice to fill up my mason jar. And I eat a lot of salad, so that's not much. It won't fill it up, but so this is 1 pear. Try to put the heavy stuff at the bottom. I don't measure spinach. I just grab it and fill up the cup. The spinach is just for the healthiness spinach. Then I have a half teaspoon of ginger. I have, didn't check this out. I thought I had while we were on pause, but organic apple cider vinegar. If you like a lot of oil in your salad dressing, you can put more oil in it than I will. I like mine's a little watery. Is that 3 or 4? Okay, let's make it 4. Okay, 4. I don't normally measure. I'm measuring because I am videotaping. But when I am cooking in the kitchen, I very seldom measure. Now each teaspoon of the cooking oil, the Wakanda cooking oil, is 10 milligrams of CBD. So we're going to add, where's my, here it is, teaspoon. One, 2. So that's 20 milligrams of CBD oil. Yeah, and I like to get all of it. And to recork it, this is just a typical wine cork that I use to recork it, because once you take the cork out, there's no cap to recork it. So if you don't have your wine scooper, and yeah, take the leaf, get it all. I want all of my CBD. Take the leaf, just rub it out. I'm gonna use it again. Then I take some extra virgin olive oil. Again, 3, if it comes out. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Because I don't like it real oily. And the rest is water. Don't worry, I don't care if I have all of that, but the rest is water. And my water is over here. I got my water. My water, this is 1.5 cups. I'm just going to fill it to the max line or a little less. So that's about half a cup of water. Get my bottom. And we're going to do this to taste. When I make it, and I'm not videotaping, I'll probably be finished by now. And once I mix it, see, it's real liquefied. See, for me, that's too liquefied. So at this point, I'll probably pour it in a mason jar, add the other pear, add some more spinach, And I'll do this until I get the consistency that I like. So that's why I have the mason jar, so that I can mix, mix, and mix. And so that's too watery. So to help reduce the water, just add more spinach, add another pear. This is why I usually have 2 pears out, just to thicken it up a little. And I do not add the salt until the last, because I don't want to add salt to every single mix. So I'll add salt. But when it's done, see how watery that is? So for me, I need a little more ginger. I need a little more. I need to double up everything. So, but once this is done, I'll show you what it looks like. So let me finish with my mixing concoction, and I'll be back and show you what it looks like at the end once I've gotten the right consistency. Okay, I'm back. While I was off camera, I also cut up everything I needed to put in my salad for today. And this is similar to the consistency I was looking for. Still a little, it runs, but it's not as watery. And it works well for me. You may want yours a little thicker. You may want more oil or anything in it. But this is my consistency right there. So let's put our salad together. So I have a mixed kale, cheese, and cabbage. And this is already pre-mixed in the store. I like the kale salads. It has that bittersweetness to it. Yeah, a lot of people say bitter, but I say bittersweet. Because then I take some more spinach. And I break it up. Add it to my salad. Yeah, I eat a lot of spinach. Love spinach. Cooked. I can eat it by itself. I can eat my chicken cooked with it. I can eat my fish cooked with it. Mix all my greens up. And then I go to town. Got some cucumbers. Already cut up. Cucumbers. And I love these containers. These are those green, I think green containers. They keep your food fresh longer, and they do work. Got some tomatoes already cut up. Plum tomatoes, a couple of carrots. Yep, this is my meal. I like a salad. When I eat a salad, it's a meal. It's not a side salad. It's a meal. Then I have my tuna. Different type of tuna salad. So not tuna salad, but the mayo and all that other stuff. Another thing you can also add to your dressing that I added last time is if you want it a little creamier, you can add I use just mayo. I'll show you what that looks like. You can add some just mayo if you want it a little creamier. This time I wanted it a little weaker. But if you add 1 or 2 tablespoons this, or as the taste, or as you see necessary, because some people like theirs oilier, creamier, or neither. So this is more water based. So you can put anything in there you want. Just know that every teaspoon of cooking oil that you put in is 10 milligrams. So this is about a serving size of like 3 or 4 salads for me. And I'm doing it for the taste because I like the ginger flavoring. And if you see how it goes on, I'm the only one eating it, so I could do this. Besides, it's going to go in another jar. That's what my salad looks like. If you want to top it with nuts or anything, I usually have cut up nuts on the counter. And I may put a handful of walnuts on top. Like I said, my salads are meals. This is my meal. So that's what it looks like afterwards. Let's see what it tastes like. flavor. I can taste the pear. I can taste the ginger. It's not oily. And it still tastes like fresh. That's what I like. Thank you again. Showing you what you can do with CBD cooking oil. Other than just cooking on the stove or in the stove. You can make all kinds of things with the CBD cooking oil. And you don't need a lot. See you in the group.